These are some club sandwiches. You can use them for lunch, dinner, just a quick and easy recipe to whip up at home for the kids, for your entire family. I won't tell you what I use. Stay tuned for the video. Thank you. So everything you see there, cabbage, tomato, bell pepper, onion, eggs, sardine, bread, mayonnaise, vinegar, cayenne pepper. I will be doing a club sandwich today for you. This can be served for lunch or even dinner. Quick and easy. Watch me what I do. You will see at the end. So here I am dicing up my cabbage, and I'm doing this the old way. You can also use your grater to shred this. I am dicing this like really, really small. So I boiled 3 eggs, which I will be using. So I am shredding my cabbage and I am doing it very, very thin. The cabbage will be mixed with the eggs, the red bell pepper, which you will see when I do it. The onion is to go on the sardines, and I cut my sardines. I washed them off. Then I added some vinegar. Yes, the vinegar helps to take away the raw scent. So I added some onions. I could have also added some hot pepper in it, but I did not. For the red bell pepper, I'll be adding that in the cabbage. I added a little black pepper, a little cayenne pepper on the sardines. You can do it your way. And then for the tomato, I'll be using like a half, and I cut the seeds out, and I will be adding this to my cabbage that I will be using for my club sandwich. This is quick, easy. You can also choose to use tuna if you like. You can also try this with tuna. So I added my eggs and I'm using a little olive oil. So the cabbage, the eggs, the red bell pepper all go together, and I'm just adding a little, I did not use any salt, and I combine everything together with some mayonnaise. For the sardines, I told you I washed them under running water. Then I added a little vinegar to it to help to cut the taste. Removed the bones that were in it because does have some little fine bones which they can be eaten, but I did remove them. And I just mixed everything, and I also added a little mayonnaise. You want to make sure there's no water in your cabbage or no water in your sardines. So it's always good to strain it. I put it in my strainer to wash it. This is a quick, easy dinner or lunch recipe. For the white bread that I am using, I trimmed the edges off. And then here I am adding my sardine mixture. See, no water running from it. I'm adding my sardine mixture. Then I add a slice of bread. Then next I'll be adding some of my cabbage and egg sauce. Listen, this is tasty. This is as good as you walking into Subway or anywhere you go to, or even in the supermarkets to get your club sandwich. You can do this at home, and it does not take a lot of ingredients to whip this up quickly. Put this together for your family, for the children. You don't have to light any stove. All from the tin. And as I said earlier, you can use substitute with tuna. Look at my sandwiches. They were so tasty. Welcome to my cooking channel, each and everyone. Thank you for the continued support. Continue to like my videos because it will help to send subscribers to my channel. If you need me to list everything, you can also leave a comment that I list it, but you can also try this club sandwich. Thank you for watching. Welcome all my new subscribers, to all the ones that were with me from day one. Thank you for your continued support. Love you all. Stay blessed. Stay safe. See you soon in my next video on Sunday.